What's up, my people? Today I want to talk about the simplest strategy of trading binary options using pocket options. Now, this is how your screen should look like when you open pocket option for the first time. This is how it should look. So, all you need to do is first of all, you need to click here and then you select chart type, which is this one right here. And of course, you change from line, because right now we are using line, so you change from line to candlesticks. Then you come to this other part here. You have here chart type, and then we have on this right side time frame. So you click on time frame and you select M1, which is 1 minute. So I'll be using 1 minute candle and also 1 minute trade expiration. So this 1 minute is for the candlesticks. That is all for that. And now you can see we have candlesticks. The red represents downward movement, and then the green represents upward movement. That is increment in price on a particular asset you are considering. So here is where we change the assets. So we have different assets here. So most of the time I use an asset with the highest payout, which is 92. Pocket option have 92 as the highest payout, and most times OTC usually present 92 percentage payout. So I use majorly OTC. Now, whether real market or OTC, anyone that you are suitable with, you can trade with it. For me, I use OTC most of the time. So if I change an asset here, it automatically show me the charts of the data sheet of as in what is happening in the market. Again, you can change to another asset. So that is it. Then right in this place, you set in the time, the expiration time. So the expiration time I'm using is M1. I'm using M1, which is 1 minute. So candlestick 1 minute, trade expiration 1 minute. So I'll select M1. Then right here you input the amount you want to trade with. So okay, so this is my, sorry, I'm working with my real account. So let me quickly switch to the demo. Okay, so this is my demo account. I'll come here, just remember, I'll come here, then switch it to candles, already in candlestick. So go to the time frame and select 1 minute, then trade expiration 1 minute. Then here I will set the amount for the trade. So I'm using $10 per trade, $10 per trade. Now the strategy, I'll be needing just one indicator and later add extra tips to make it more effective. So all you need to do is to go to here to add up indicator, and then this is it here, indicators, and we'll be using simple moving average. Simple moving average. This is it, moving average. You select moving average. So it has been added. So you can come to this needle pencil here, close to the moving average. There is it. Now the period should be set to 10, while the moving average type is simple moving average, SMA. Now we can go to the style, and for me I usually like to use white and make it more thicker using 2 pieces. So you can use anything you like. So This is it. Very simple. Okay, let me select an asset with 92 payout. All we need to do is, once you have a gap, very big gap between the moving average and the candlesticks, then we say the market is overstretched. So there is possibility of reversing. So when it's moving downward like this and the gap is very big, no, we don't just immediately enter the market and start trading reversal. As it's red coming down, so we expect green. So immediately we have one candle as green. At the close of that candle, we take the next one as green. So if for this one, this would have been a mini trade. Okay, now let's try another, but we can still scroll to see if we have another one. Look, you can see this one. There is gap. Oh, sorry. There's gap, but there's reversal, and this didn't go well. Now, not all we actually go. You can't win all the trade, no matter how strong your strategy is. It's not possible for you to win all the trade. So we have to find a way of figuring out the ones that will go and the one that will not go well. Now look at this one. The gap didn't really show, but in this last candle we have a very large candle which gave a very wide gap. In this last one, very large candle moving downward, and it gave a large gap, and of course there was a reversal. After the first candle reversed, the next candle gave us a mini trade. This one is perfect. You can see very large gap. We don't just start reversing the candle, you wait for a reversal, one candle to reverse, and then you take the next candle. So we're supposed to take our trade on this one. So let me see if I can see the one for upward movement. This one also is very good. Okay, you can see this. There is a gap, there's reversal, and of course we take the next one as red. Now, some people usually ask me, how do you know the gap is okay? So I've decided to add up another indicator to know when you are supposed to enter, when the gap is enough for you to enter. So you come here, you add another indicator called RSI. Oh, sorry, we use stochastic rather. We use stochastic oscillator. We'll be adding stochastic oscillator. Now, the setting for the stochastic oscillator is very simple. Just come to the pencil here. The period, the K period, the D period, the smoothing period all remain the same. We are not changing anything. But on the style, we'll have to make some changes. So come to the style. K period will be turned off. We'll turn off the K period. Turn it off. Then the overbought rather, which is 80, we'll change it to 98. And oversold, which is 20, we'll change it to 2. So I'll change this to 98 and I'll change this to 2. So I can make, on the style, I can make the line thicker. And then you select here, save. So once there is a gap between the candles and the 10 period simple moving average, you check also on your stochastic oscillator. If it is touching to oversold, which is at the bottom, and there is reversal, then you can take on the next candle. So that is how you should determine the gap, if it is enough or not. So like we can still scroll to look for other ones. Like I said, this one did not go well. So look at this one also. The same thing happened here. The same thing happened here. You can see that it's touching to oversold, and then there's reversal here, and we take the next candle and we have a winning trade. So that is it. I am not actually trading. I just want to explain how this strategy works. So practice first on your demo account before going to real account. Should in case you want to create an account, let's assume you don't have an account before, so you can use my link at the description of this video. Thank you.